So, as we all know, Disney Theatrical is always in development. They are always trying to nurture new shows from the vast Disney film catalog. However, we never know what's going to be next. But I do know one that's being explored. Do you want a hint?